Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about how we can extract day name from dates in Microsoft Excel. That is, you want to know what's name of the week or what's the weekday that this dates fall into. Is it Wednesday, is it Monday, is it Thursday? So we'll use two methods quickly, the number format method or the text using the text function. Let's quickly look at the number format method. Highlight the entire date column here like this and come to the number group in the home tab and number group. This small dialog box launcher, you have it here. So we can see by default is in date format, and you can see the date format it's in. However, I want to use the custom format, so I'll come to custom and we can see is day, month, and YYY. But we just want Excel to tell us what day of the week it is. Excel understand is a date. So I'm going to customize it, and I'm going to write DDD because I'm talking about day now. DDD in 4 places, so it gives me the full day. If I'm looking for months, I'm going to write MMM in the same way, but today we're focusing on day. So I'm going to write DDD. Now, if you check while I was writing, you will see a preview here. 4 days will mean it will give me in full, the full spelling or the full length of the day. If I wrote 3 days, it will give me the short form, but I want the full day, so I'm going to make it 4 days. And I'm going to say OK, and Excel will quickly tell me what day of the week it is, right? And when I click in any of the cell, make any of the cell active, I can see in the formula bar here that my dates are still intact, okay? So that's short number 1 way to do this. The number 2 way to do this is to use a text function. And how do I mean? So I'm going to reverse. I'm going to do Ctrl Z, and I'm going to use a text function to do this. All right, so we'll use we'll put this in another column. So I'm going to write day of the week, and I'm going to say text. We're going to call equal to text, and I'm going to select that function, and the argument here is value and format text. That is value, that is what do I want to do. So this is the value I want it to come, that I want to get its text out of, and it's going to ask me what format do I want to return it. Using functions, we have to put the format just the same way we put DDD in that number format launch dialog box launcher that we launched the other time. In this place, I'll put them in quotation marks to denote that I'm putting a text. All right, I'm going to write my D 4 times. I'll close my inverted quotation marks, and I'm going to close the bracket also, and I'm going to hit enter button, and yes, I have my day of the week. All right, and I can apply it to all of the entire column.